Anthony, Chris, Jeff, Kenny, Joe, Frank, Ken, and Drum. Alright guys, remember full field out there again. Let's keep it clean. You guys did an awesome job in the first round. Remember standing nice and easy when people come around, okay? Alrighty, turn marshals ready. Drivers ready. Anthony on the tone, everybody else names called. Chris, Jeff, Kenny, Joe, Frank, Ken, Ron, and Sam. Nice one. Watch on the sweeper, watch on the sweeper. Clear. Shut it up. So right now, it's going to be Anthony out front, Jones at 2, Jeff in the 3, Chris in the 4, Kenny in the 5. Only 3.6 seconds separating top 5 on track. Battle is going to be for the 3 spot. Chris Jones, 9 tenths back from Jeff Gilbert. 130 down, 330 to go. Leader silver and blue down the back straight. 18.507 pace. So look up his previous time by about 5 seconds. So that's currently in the 2:17.5 flat. So 3.1 back. Chris Jones 2 seconds back from Joe on 17.507. We're just about 2 now. Here we go. Watch out the sweeper, guys. Low on the sweeper. Clear. Caution and triple, watch out, triple, watch out, triple. Clear. Nice job, keep it clean. Caution, work on straight, caution, work on straight. Watch out the lead up, watch out the lead up. And clear, so the leader getting upside down now. It's Anthony, Joe, Kenny, top 3, followed by Jeff, Frank, Chris, Jerome, Kenny. Up next, race number 7, 13.5 Wheeler, 13.5 Wheeler, 7 down there. And Eco, no time for gymnastics out there. I said no time for gymnastics. Watch the next one. Starting 15 seconds. Clock's expiring on the phone now. Toss line moving on. Moving on, moving on. Now, that's going to do it, guys. So Anthony, 18, 5, 16. Joe, 16, 5, 12. Jeff, 17, 7, or 17, 5, 18. So we're going to have to